Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make shirts on a Roblox because it's been requested. Yes, I'm a building channel, but I also do other things, shirts, graphics, everything like that. I just cannot do scripting. So if there's any tutorials you would like in the near future, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. It'll help me come up with video ideas and help me help you guys to the best of my ability. Also, I got permission from the Dev King to start a series called Building Your Funny Ideas. He does scripting your funny ideas. So if you have anything that you think would be cool or funny to build, leave that in the comments below. The most liked comment is the one I'll do in the first episode of that. But first things first, go on Google and type in Roblox shirt template transparent, okay? And then open it up in anything you have. Today I'll be using Photoshop, but you can do everything the same in paint.net and things like that, which are free. GIMP, I believe. I'm not too familiar with either of them, but I know they're free, and I know that you can make some pretty high quality stuff with it. So we're going to be actually building a little shirt for the RoBuilder channel, okay? Our little fan base over here. So we have our template, and most programs work in layers. So if I just add a layer right here and paint something on, let's go ahead and say our shirt is going to be white, and I'm going to use our little rectangle tool. So I'm going to paint this. Now it's all white, but if we put it behind here, we can still see what's going on. And I think I want a short sleeve shirt, so I'm going to do it like this. Now, how this works, your left arm, your right arm, and this folds around the character, okay? So this, I believe, is the inner arm right next to your torso, and then next to that, and it just folds around the arm like that. This is the front of the shirt, the back of the shirt, sides, top, bottom. I hope that is easy to understand for you guys. So with this thing, in Photoshop, there's a thing called pattern, so I'm gonna just do that, pattern overlay, and we're gonna kind of look through and see if there's any cool ones. I do like this one. It's actually my current Intel Plays fan shirt, but I don't want to do the same. This is kind of cool. If we could maybe lighten it out some and maybe, I kind of like this. So I'm going to do this. Another way that you could do this exact same thing is go on Google, find a picture, whatever pattern you're looking for. This would be like a cartoony camo pattern. And you could definitely do that, guys. And then just put it right behind the template. Also, if it's in front of the template like this, it's still going to work. You just won't be able to see what you're doing. So we have this. Now, I'm going to add another little rectangle because we need like cutoffs for our sleeves, okay? The little cuff thing. So I'm going to add a little rectangle right here just to have that like visual representation of, hey, your sleeve is done, okay? It's not going to just cut off. And we're going to be all good. I'm going to change the color of it to like a gray, something like this. I think that looks pretty good. Nice. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I know that you guys might be using different programs and everything like that. So I'm trying not to do like too complex of stuff. I'm going to shrink this guy in and then just expand it out. Nice. There we go. Move it up just a hair. And we have this guy now. So for our actual logo itself, we don't really have a character or a logo for this channel. So there's not much we can actually pick from. But I think I'm just going to do like a little circle. So I'm going to use this ellipsis tool or eclipse tool. I don't know what it's called. And I'm just going to make a little circle. All right. And there's like lines. So you'll see when it's like perfect. Now it's perfect this way. Now we have to go down probably. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. That's perfect. Okay. This is actually the wrong tool. Dang it. Can I fill this? Fill. Okay. All right, I definitely can't, guys. So, what I meant to do was this tool and this ellipse tool. All right, there. Now we have a circle. Let's do this. We're close. We're close. We're close. I'm just looking at the numbers over here. Now it's 0.808 by 0.808, so it is a perfect circle. And we can hold or do Control T and hold Shift to kind of scale this guy down, just like this, where we want it. So this is going to be the middle front of our T-shirt, guys. All right, so we're gonna have that right there, and I think I'm going to do like a very dark color, like our normal gray, and then have a stroke on it, which is an outline, and make this even darker than that. So a black outline. Something like this, guys. Of course, it doesn't need to be that big. So something like this maybe will work. And now I'm going to go on Google and just find like a hammer picture, for example, since we're Robuilder, or even a Roblox logo. Alright guys, so I couldn't find the new Roblox Studio logo, so I have the old one here, and I'm just going to shrink that to fit. And I think, okay, so the new logo is something kind of like, oh, it's a lot different actually. It's like a square in the middle. So like, I don't know, but this one will work, guys. It'll work for what we're trying to do, and we're going to kind of center this something like this. And I might make it a little bit bigger than the circle and put it like that. Yeah, I think that looks... Dang, Buster, chill, bro. I think that looks pretty cool, and I wonder if we could add a different color to it to make it look a little better. Maybe this gray, and our background color overlay we could change to white. Just to see. Something like this. And then maybe a little drop shadow on the icon. This is all just trial and error, guys. And of course, you're not going to make a shirt that's exactly the same. In fact, I might get rid of the circle entirely. Like, get rid of this and just have the Roblox Studio icon in gray with a drop shadow. I think that looks pretty cool. Turn it just a hair. Kind of put it somewhere around right here. And then, of course, you can do the little hole for your head, which I'm horrible at. I always misjudge it. But just something like this, and then and delete that section so it's transparent again. So we'll get this little eraser. Boom. I don't know if that's going to fit right or not, but you know what? We're hoping for the best here, guys. So this is how you make the shirt, and then you want to just save it to your computer as a PNG file. So right here, I just export as PNG. On paint.net, I believe it's save as, so that's all you got to do. Click on export all, and then save it to anywhere on your computer. Perfect. Now we're going to head over to Roblox and upload our shirt. So once you're on Roblox, you want to go ahead and go to create. And if you have a group, you can put this into a group, but I'm just going to put it on my profile itself. So we're going to go to shirts right here. Now you will need premium in order to upload a shirt. You can do t-shirts, I believe, without premium, but they're just really not that cool, guys. All right. They're just not that cool. So choose file, and then we're going to go find it on our computer. We have right here Roblox shirts, and it is, where is it at? Oh my god, it's this one right here. We're gonna open it up. Now I'm gonna call it let's capitalize the letters, make it look nice. Robuilder. Okay. Fan shirt. All right, now someday I might make a better one than this, but if you guys do like this video and it did help you at all, and you have a couple extra Robux to spare, I will make this shirt as cheap as possible, which is 5 Robux. Okay, so if you wanna buy the shirt and help your boy out, thank you so much. Much appreciated. The link will be down below in the description. But that there is how you make a shirt. And if you want to sell it, just go to configure right here, sales, mark this, and as you can see, if I put this to 1 Robux, minimum is 5. Okay, so 5 Robux if you do want to buy this and support your boy. Thank you so much. All right, but that's how you make a shirt. Hopefully you did enjoy it, and hopefully you learned something new. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Later. Hey guys, after viewing the shirt on Roblox, I decided not really my favorite thing I've ever made, so I did remake the shirt just a little bit. Still the same concept, same idea, but I got the new studio logo, decreased the saturation a little bit, and added the name Robuilder to the back of the shirt. If you would still like to buy this shirt, guys, it is linked down below in the description. Still 5 Robux. Thank you guys so much for the support. Later.